Today I'm at Jacobsburg State Park, and it looks like we've got a gorgeous morning. And as you can potentially see behind me, beautiful waterways, some streams in here. My hope is to see if we can't get some flora and maybe even some stream shots along the way here. So let's take a look and see what our options are going to be for today. So we're partway into the trail, and we came along what looks like a little jetty off of the water area here, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. There appear to be some mushrooms around here. Obviously this beautiful body of water. We had a little bit of mist coming off the water, but it looks like a lot of that is dissipated. But as you can see, this is just an incredible spot. I found a little spot along the water's edge here, and I'm thinking that I might be in a position to get some long exposures. I'm going to use the Olympus OMD EM1 Mark III, the internal ND live filter, to slow the shutter speed down. I think with a little bit of the overcast that we have, I should be able to get something in excess of 10 seconds. Let's take a look and see what we can do with that.